Driving through the night, looking for a sight with a pick and a shovel. Rock hound, rock hound, rock hound. Looking through the rocks for a gem to take home. Rock hound, rock hound, rock hound.
Well, that's what we did. We got a beautiful colored one. About time. We're heading home. Signing off. Look out! 40-mile-an-hour winds. Holy moly! Hot diggity dog. Look out! Hopefully find an agate. It's coming out of the north, boys. It's gonna blow your A-double-S off the lake. Hot damn! Alright, this is Big Tim. We're gonna look for some agates today. It's a little windy. This road I'm coming down is getting a little rough. I almost got stuck. That wouldn't be good unless we put it on video now, would it? So here we are, gonna look for some mighty agates and maybe some euprolite, but I don't know. There's a lot of people down here in the fall time. Hot diggity dog! There's my agate knobber. Agate knobber. Agate knobber. Alright. Holy moly. This is rough. Hey. You gotta be nuts to be down here. You like nuts? A good day for it, boys. Hot damn, we on squirrel alert. Small craft advisory, boys. Small craft. Holy. Well, you know, if you can find an agate or pick one out, then you're blowing the sea, boys. Oh my God. Look out! Man. Well, I see some good grabbers down there. I got a toothache. I don't know how far I'm going to be able to walk today, but we're going to give it a whirl. Here we are. Doing the company today, boys. Crazy 10-foot tall. Moby Dick! Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh. I got stuck down here already. Look, there's an agate knobber right there. Hot diggity dog. That could be an agate right there. Nah. Oh boy. Alright, stay tuned for Agate Knobber 101. Oh! She is a blowing, boys. Fall colors are just about out. Ooh, you gotta be nuts to be down here. Absolutely nuts. Better find an agate or you will be pissed off. Hopefully my toothache leaves and hurts. Ouch! Look out! I don't know. Could be. They're on the shoreline. Hot diggity dog. Small one. There's one, there's more. Oh boy, look at that. That could be agate. This is the agate here. Agate knobber. Boy. Hot That's an agate knobber. Agate knobber. Holy moly. It is something else out here today. God dang it. Whoa. Sure. Even if that's all I find, I did good. Woo. I don't know what the shoreline agate. Oh, can't take it out that long to do video. Don't get me. Pretty. Well, at least I found an agate. That's just that pretty rock. Hot damn, I know. Woo! Where's the agate? Whoa! Look out! Jimmy! Kind of looks like it, but I can't tell. Never know. This is rough, man. Rough. Agate knobber. That's gotta be agate. That ain't great agate, but that's what it grows. That's agate, like a blue color. But it's like you get into the area, you're gonna start searching, man. Because that's, whoa, where you find the agate. That's where you find it. Alright, well. Storm blows us out here. Look out! Lord, that's merciful. Look at the agates out of it. Here's me. Big Tim Adventure. There she goes. Hot diggity dog. Well, we got one. Check the other ones out. Woo! That is rough. Oh, I got a little ways to go. I don't know if I'll be super late tonight, boys. It's rough. Sasquatch! Sasquatch! Roll me over! Hot diggity dog! This is Big Tim, and the waves are humongous! Look at that! 10 foot high, these big waves! Whoa! It's nuts! Yeah, it's getting worse! It looks like an agate. Who knows? Well, it's blowing too hard out here, boys. There's treacherous stuff here. I found a few more agates, maybe some real big ones, but just didn't have, wasn't able to execute. So it's just too windy. You can just see all the agates. Hot damn, we got agates. Agate rammer, boys. And there's more. Diggity dog. Look at that. Hot diggity dog. But the wind is just blowing treacherous out here. Yeah, it's just too much. We'll go check the water out and get out of here. I don't think I'm even here for like tonight. It's too hard. Look at this. Insane. Insane. Yeah, we found agates. There's an agate, honey, but it's hot damn. It's treacherous. Look out! It's getting worse too, man. This is no joke, Jack. This will pull you in fast. Look out, jackass! Holy moly! Yeah, you can feel it yanking away at your kneecaps. Lord have mercy. Look at that. Woo! Look out! Whoa! Check those surfers out, boys. Hot damn, they're going surfing, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna get pulled in. Look out! Woo! That's it. I'm done. That's a big tip adventure. Another agate. Be damned it. There you go, another agate. Well, they're out there. Hot damn, we find the agates out. Today, a lot of the white ones. Maybe a real big one. pounder today, but she's in the bag. I'm tired. I'm looking. Woo! Hot diggity dog. Hey, not her. Probably some agate there. An agate sea, boys. Look out, there's agate. Agate dauber. Sea maggot. My God, there we go. Well, that's enough for me. Whoa! We're heading back. Okay. Hot diggity dog. Okay, enough of that. Woo! God, boy. I'm telling you. Rough day. Well, this is Big Tim. We're signing out. And hopefully have an adventure out here. I'll show you some more rocks when I get a chance to look at it. It's blowing. It's 40, 50, 60 mile an hour gusts out here. And I'll see you later. Fruity 2 to you. In a big